Hello, my name is Samantha Del Rosario, and this is my introduction for CJS 350 Emergency Management. So I transferred to CBU last March, so I have been here about a year now. Before that, I went to Cal State San Bernardino, so I am a senior here. I will be finished in summer, and I will walk in August. My major is criminal justice, and I will pursue my master's in forensic science. I want to be a criminal investigator because in March of 2017, about 3 years from this coming Wednesday, my brother was murdered by his roommate. And going through the whole trial process and how the court presented all the evidence, it just really changed my heart. So I actually took a year and a half off of school after his death, and then I was praying about it and praying about it. And when I came back, I transferred over to CBU and I decided to change my major. A little bit more about me is I have two dogs. The one on the left, his name is Goose. He's a Dogo Argentino. A lot of people don't know that breed, and they're not really common here. But a lot of people mistake him for a pit bull or a Great Dane. He's fairly large. And then on the one on the right, her name is Aria. She's my Doberman Pinscher. Um, Goose is 1 years old. He just turned one in January, and Aria will be 4 this year in September. Aria is actually a task trained service dog. I trained her myself, and she was started her training when she came home to me. Her breeder is from Oregon, and so I got her at 13 weeks, and I started her training. She does help me with a couple medical conditions I have. She's my pride and joy. And because of her, I actually started an Etsy shop dedicated to working dog equipment. Um, Besides working full time doing my shop, I also have a full time job. I work at a place called Euphoria, where it is a dog daycare slash boarding slash grooming facility. My position there is a daycare slash boarding attendant. I swap from the two. So either I'm watching between 20 to 60 dogs, or I am attending the dogs in the boarding room. I am actually trying to switch or end that position and start looking into jobs in around my field since I'm going to be done in the summer. And I am very excited to start this course, and I can't wait to meet more of my classmates. I hope you enjoyed my little slideshow.